It is currently 4:51 a.m. Our driver is basically gonna be here in 10 minutes. Again, the seats are like freezing cold and I don't want to get sick. So I'm sitting in the back. What a pyara van. I'm like, it's like luxury. It's giving luxury. My driver khada piche and we just reached. They're gonna give us a little briefing. Yeah, I was so freaking excited for this activity. This has been on my bucket list for the longest time. Our driver took us all the way to the area where the briefing was going on.
They are harmless. Unless you're not allowed to apply sunblock, help your sea warden monitoring the whole operation.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, excited? Very excited. तो अब वो फाइनली वक्त आ गया जब हम पानी के अंदर जाएंगे और बड़ी बड़ी व्हेल शार्क्स के बीचों में स्विम करेंगे. This was a feeling I cannot even describe how insane it felt to be so close to a massive marine animal and see it up front in person. I freaked out so badly here. मेरे को था कि अब तो मैं गई. Lekin all because of our guys' reassurance, I continued on. 100% worth it. I recommend everyone to do this once in their life if possible. क्योंकि आपको जो feeling मिलेगी इससे मतलब it is undescribable. और फिर करते करते मेरा हाथ टच हुआ उसके बिल्कुल मुंह के अंदर and I freaked out like never before. मेरे को था कि ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए था and I was so cautious कि अभी मेरे को attack करेगी. But they were very sweet and it was all good. What a day, what a day. We had a great start. क्या देखा ध्रुवी? Sharks, बहुत सारी whale sharks देखी हमने. फट गई थी. Baby shark भी देखा. I wanted to do baby shark. Okay guys, so हम यहाँ पे कहीं रुके हुए हैं some M Sunrise place and we're like having a quick breakfast snack. My cup noodles, Rubies, yum yum yum. फिर बस हम निकल पड़े अपने नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पर जो है एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत वाटरफॉल जहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए हमें एक बाइक लेकर नीचे जाना था. कितना pretty है guys. This is Tumalog waterfalls. Like you can see कितना ऊपर से water is coming. It's so pretty. Hi guys, so अभी हम आए हैं इधर. It's called Enambakan waterfall and this is basically like an alternative to जो हम पहले करने वाले थे. पहले हम करने वाले थे the canoeing वाला in the Kawasan falls, but today since it's the every third Wednesday of every month they have like a river cleaning, so it's closed today. So we were like she really wants to do something, right? So हम यहाँ पे he's like this is the alternative. It's fucking cold, it's raining and I'm freezing and I'm like oh my god ठंड लग रही है बुरी तरह. खूब सारे डॉगीज हैं यहाँ पे by the way. But yeah अभी हमें 15 minutes कुछ walk करनी है and then we reach the jumping point and we feel like jump in water and everything. ये साथ साथ चल रहा है. कितना pretty है. Wow. Look at this waterfall. Oh my gosh. कितना blue है bro. Hi. How is it? He was our tour guide, guys. Itna mast insan. He was such a sweet guy, honestly. 10 on 10, like 100 on 10 experience with him. Yeah. Then we did like the cliff jump. Okay, one. Oh. And all that stuff.
Go. Okay, up your feet. That one. Oh.
I couldn't do shit. Like, my fucking fear. मैंने 10 बारी कोशिश करी. Do the swim, so like it's like a balance of fears. balance of fears. वो बेचारा like 10 बारी ऊपर चढ़ा on the rock for me, so I could jump.
Yeah.
But he was so sweet about it.
So sweet.
He was smiling. He never made me like feel like
Yeah.
I'm wasting his time or anything. Because I felt like I'm wasting his time, you know?
No, it's like
Yeah. Now we're going for a little sardine run and turtle watching. Let's go. अभी हम आए हैं यहाँ पे lunch करने. Hope there's some nice vegetarian food for us to eat. वरना हम अपना Indian तो लाए हैं कल का. Nice spot. ध्रुवी, क्या हुआ अभी बताइए जरा सबको. हमारे ऑडियंस जानना चाहती है.
I lost my Apple Watch.
Yeah. Last day of the trip. कुछ ना हो सकता है guys.
First day of the trip and last day of the trip.
Literally, first day I lost my gold bracelet. Last day she loses her Apple Watch. Our Indian food is out, and the noodles are really yummy. The hot sauce is sweet for some reason. I don't know why. Stir fry देखते कैसा लग रहा है. अच्छा लग रहा है दिखने में तो. हमने अपना सारा बचा हुआ चावल इस बेबी को दे दिया. And he's eating it. Aww. अब हम आ गए हैं मोल बोल में एंड यहाँ पर एक मुर्गी का फार्म है. ये देखो, I bought this one right now. It's so cute. It has like little turtles and shells inside. हमारी ध्रुवी मैडम बैठी है इधर, aesthetic as fuck, looking at the menu. Look at her pretty. Oh my god, I love it. This is a very big tourist spot apparently. So everything, you get like a lot of stuff here. It's like very pretty, the vibey, like it's just so colorful. ये तो अभी weird way to show, but like अभी street में when we went inside from where we came, so pretty guys, like so pretty. This area needs more time for sure, but like look at the kid there bro. हमने आगे देखा था, there were these two बच्चे with like their family and shit sitting on sand, and they had these two छोटे dogs like Shih Tzu type, and the dogs were digging sand. एक पूरा मिट्टी में से होता ना, like the whole body was in sand and they was like covered in the गला, and वो बैठा हुआ था इतने आराम से, like the water was so close, it was like so pretty. They were just like living life. Like this is my dream weather. Like I want to live in a place that I see this from, you know, with this wind, with my hair like this. Everything is just so good, such a vibe, like no words. ये देखो यहाँ पे मछली कितनी नकली लग रही है bro, but it's like real fish. जैसे पिंगू में होती है. And I think that's squid.
Heart wala.
Wow, these are so
I'm getting
cute.
this.
Fuck, even I want that. Look at the hawa. Oh my gosh. What a crazy weather. यहाँ बैठ के पीते हैं. Fuck, look at that water. Like, do you see what I mean by high tide? It's like getting crazy, like a tsunami vibe. I love the ocean so much. मेरा बस चला मैं इसी के अंदर रहूँ हमेशा के लिए. Like, it's too gorgeous. Molbol, this place deserves like a week in it. Like, while we were doing the sardine thing, there were so many jellyfishes. Like so many jellyfishes. I cannot tell you how many jellyfishes. और छोटी थी.
Count भी नहीं है कि कितने स्ट्रिंग्स आए हैं.
और हाँ,
It's so bad.
हर जगह काटा, कैसे काटा, मतलब I have no.
मेरे तो दोनों एस पे, थाइस पे,
My
arms में, literally.
और ब्रो ये नया टैटू, I feel like उस पे भी काटा है. Like that's also stinging right now. I don't know what's happening.
मुझे इधर एग्जैक्ट टैटू के बाजू में काटा है.
बहुत हर जगह बस काटा हुआ है ब्रो. अभी हम जा रहे हैं नीचे to like have some coconut water. Cocoa water, that's what they call it here. Unfortunately कोई turtles नहीं थे देखने को because the water current got so crazy that there was no fucking what do you say, turtles around. It was very high tide. Sardines दिखी हमें बहुत, but he said कि सुबह के टाइम में उतना क्रेजी वेदर नहीं होता है, क्योंकि अभी बारिश तूफानी हवा सब चल रहा है, तो जब वो सब नहीं होता है, that's when you see more sardines. But in my opinion, I feel like I saw like a lot. We just reached the hotel room and then placed a quick order on Grab before everything closes. I just got it. So good. Very good. Very good.